Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, you are telling me Uguti, this Amahle girl has watched season 1, season 2 of Izingane Zesthembu, watched Utirelo treat his baby mamas the way he treats them, and still decides Uguti, now Kia, I want to be in a relationship with this type of guy. Not only that, guys, Amahle says Uguti, she knows the re of Umpumelele's girlfriend, meaning that she's the fourth one, and I guess she is feeling special that Umpumelelo wants to make her the first wife because she's found asking Umpumelelo, why are we taking things so quickly? Why you mean? Girl says they've only been dating for 6 months, Bandla. I'm looking at this Amahle girl, guys, and she looks so innocent. I don't even think this girl has much njolo or dating experience. Now, don't get me wrong. There's nothing wrong with not having dating experience. But with a man like Umpumelelo, hi guys, he will take advantage for the fact that you don't have njolo experience and you are awubone ezinye izinto that people who are experienced would have seen. This girl really seems to be Mzumbe type of material. At this point, I'm just like mnigeni indlu yake yellow, guys, because I truly do think she'll make a good fit Mzumbe. But ulokuzano Amahle says in her diary session, Umpumelelo ngiyamhlonipha, ngiyamkhuphela, ngiyayinikeza indawo yakhe as indoda yami. What do you mean, girl, ukuthi uyamkhuphela? Yeah, guys, I really hope she does seem like a sweet girl, but I'm just like this child. And I'm going to use child because I'm just like, no. You're telling me ukuthi uzozigcina for isikhathi eside uzigcinele indoda efana noMpumelelo, guys. Apparently, ugirl uyathungisa already. She's getting ready. She's wenza amalungiselelo. I'm just like, uyamazi uMpumelelo. Angakudisappointa, girl. But anyway, Mpumelelo says he did choose her because she respects him. She does look like Utwele inhlonipho, guys. She is uqhamuka emakhaya, so she does have lesasizotha. That dignity, is it dignity or lesser or no istima rather, unestima about her that makes her fit to stay Mzumbe. So you know what? I really hope ukuthi guys in this relationship ukuthi angeke push around, because one thing about Utirelo, you guys, she will make you feel like a clown. She did that to Uvuyokazi, and I really hope ukuthi she doesn't do that to Amahle, because Amahle really seems like a sweet girl. But anyway, like, listen to me being worried about Utirelo. Tirelo's not the problem, yo. Umpumelelo the problem, because listen, that guy will show you flames just for being in a relationship with him or just for respecting him. Amahle akabuza uVuyekazi. Uvuyokazi that respected Umpumelelo, and then Umpumelelo turned around and said she changed. Anyway, let's park it right there, guys. We will see ukuthi phelelaphi le ndaba yabo. But guys, did you see the intro? Utirelo dancing with Amahle. I'm like, shooting Utirelo has accepted Amahle, because we even see in the intro Umpumelelo standing holding Utirelo's hand while holding Amahle's hand. Guys, anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.